Good morning from beautiful Portland Parish, Jamaica. I'm hanging out here at Freelance Chucky's place. Off to go see Mr. MacDonald, the master of fruit wines, juices, amazing property right in front of the surf. Super cool guy who lets me trespass on the property to take a shortcut to the beach. So I ran into Mr. MacDonald again, and I think we're gonna try to make a soursop drink today because soursop is in season and there's soursop all over the place to be had. So some type of punch, I'm not sure. He mentioned there might be some sea grapes for a kind of drink. Anyway, we're just gonna go check up with Mr. MacDonald and see what kind of drinks we can get into on his yard. So I've got Peanut with me. Peanut, you're officially my favorite one of Chucky's dogs. You're so nice and calm, always respectful, always coming for a little walk. Good man. Yeah, it's nice walking with Peanut. He doesn't cause a fuss with other dogs. He's not getting in fights. He's just there to keep you company until you hit the main road, Canewood Road. Good day, Mr. MacDonald. Nice to see you.
Man. Yeah, man. Nice seeing you too much. Yeah, man.
We're back in Fruit Tree Paradise.
Yes, yes. Yeah, man. We got a lot of stuff here. Yeah.
All right, so we were hoping there's soursop, but I guess all the soursop got drank yesterday.
Yeah, and the little one haven't ready as yet.
Yeah, a couple of small ones on the top. Yeah. Oh, yeah, that's a proper one with the hook on it.
On the back.
So we're gonna go get some
Starfruit on the back.
Star Apple and
Starfruit.
and June plum.
Yeah.
Let's try and catch some. Oh, there's a nice June plum right there. We'll try and catch this. Oh yeah! 10 points.
Yeah, they're all up in the top of the tree there, man.
Nice, man.
Far up here,
That's hard to pick it and catch it. Normally a two-person job. Man, this is a proper one. I was at Chucky's trying to get some coconuts down with just a piece of bamboo. No hook on it, no nothing. And I was just bashing away.
Yes.
It's hard work, man.
Yep. You have to have the right picking stick for them, you know. Yeah, like this.
So there's some young ones. These ones are too small. And you can eat them yellow too, right? When they're yellow, they're still nice. Yeah. Kind of halfway green and yellow is the best.
Yeah.
Yeah, June plum's a really nice one. I had it when I was in Grenada. What do they call it? Something apple. Golden apple, I think they call it over in Grenada. But yeah, last time I was here, we had lots of Star Apple.
Yes.
All right, we're trekking around. Ocean right over there. Puppy right over here. Oh, wow. Yeah, there's enough Star Apple going on. All over the ground, there's so many. Yeah, check our Fruit Tree Paradise video we did last time I was here. Oh, so close.
Yep.
Still good.
Yeah. All right. No, this one not
No good, too rough. The amount that are on the ground, it looks like we came here just a few days late. Oh, I think I see one up top there. Yeah, they're nice when they're green too, because they're kind of tart, right?
Yeah,
The juice is still good, just like the June plum. The green juice from the June plum, beautiful. Well, there's one yellow one way up top there. Ah, pro. All right, look at that. Oh, yeah, same.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Right. That one kind of burn.
Oh, yeah.
Burn.
That one's no good.
Yeah.
All right, good try, though. All right, the bugs are at this one already. Too late.
Nice.
Yeah, that looks good. Beautiful. There's another nice one. Oh, nice. All right. That is plenty. All right, we got a bag from Hyacinth. Put these in here. Ready for some juice up. Try to get off the ants here. Oh, big bunch. Excellent. All right, very successful.
Yeah. I don't want this way much. I might get some ripe one.
Yeah.
Ripe June plum.
Okay.
Yeah. So I do it and make my juice. And okay. Right through the farm.
Yeah, I'll have a look through again. As thick as ever.
Yeah.
Oh man.
You know, drop some nice pretty one, you know.
Oh yeah.
Nice June plum, you know.
Oh, there we go. Nice yellow one.
Yeah.
That's it. Oh, perfect.
Yeah.
I didn't know you had another June plum tree back here.
Yeah, man, it grow big
Oh,
and
wow.
it's sweet. You know,
So this is one of those you can get lucky on the ground, because I know a lot of fruits in Jamaica, if it's on the ground, is no good, but June plum, I guess,
yes,
you can get away with it. Yeah, especially with things like mangoes, good luck finding one on the ground that's good. If it's on the ground, it's turned. It's going to be real soft, not too nice. But yeah, something hard like a June plum, I guess we're good to go.
The tree so tall, so I have to wait until
Yeah,
sometime, you
wait
know.
till they come down naturally.
So this one can throw it, get a little squeeze. This
Wow,
one
look at this crazy mushroom here. So interesting. What kind of mushroom is that? Time to bust out the app. Alright, we're going to use picture this and see if I can find out what mushroom this is. Let's see what it says. Candle snuff fungus. Also known as staghorn's fungus. Interesting. Learn something new every day. June plum is one of these ones that grows all year though, right?
Yeah,
You'll get fruit all the time.
Yeah, keep going and coming, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, small one coming while it's ripening, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, one that gives it up all the time.
Yeah.
Nice.
True.
And starfruit too seems to be regular.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's turning into a beautiful sunny day here. But you said not many big waves lately, unfortunately.
Yeah, well, last week and so, you know, it was a good wave, you know.
Oh, I just
Yeah,
missed it.
Yes,
Oh,
yeah,
man.
you know, just getting a little calm now, you know, but, you know, it goes and comes, you know, so it has to be here and
Yeah.
it's right, you know.
Well, that's the crazy thing. If you stay here with you at Swift River Cove, you're right in front of the surf. If you want to have a little surf, you get it all to yourself.
Yes,
Pretty awesome.
yes, yes. Yeah, man, can have fun here, man, you know, a lot of entertainment and fruits and nature here, you know.
Yeah.
Really, yes, you know. So we're gonna go in and wash these fruits and blend them up.
All right.
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah,
Kitty got a name or just Kitty?
yeah, Cheche.
Cheche.
Yeah, man, them way she him, you know. He come to me, no?
Nice.
Yeah.
Hey, Cheche.
Yeah.
All right, so I'd say we did pretty successful mission there.
Yeah.
A whole heap. And I would say you were caught 80% of them.
Yeah.
No problems. Super easy. I mean, it's usually a two-person job, isn't it? One person cutting, one person catching.
Yeah.
But you had it all to yourself, no problem.
And throw down the right picking stick, you know.
Well, true, yeah, that one with the
top
hook.
of the basket and I just drop it in it.
That one seemed to help a lot, yeah.
Yeah.
So just cut them up fine, that's all you need to do?
Yeah, and blend it, you know, make it easier for the blender, you know.
Ah, yeah, I see.
Yeah.
And I know the June plum can be kind of a hard one, yeah?
Yes, yes.
So that one I see people grate it a lot.
Oh yeah, some people
Can be.
do it, but I just peel it and cut it up and blame up everything, you know.
I'm gonna try a little piece of the green one because I usually only eat it ripe.
Yeah.
It tastes much more like a regular apple when it's green. So it even has that same kind of crunchy texture like an apple. It's pretty good. Yeah, I could eat that green any day. That's really good. You ever do a wine out of the star apple?
No, I'm gonna do it though. I'm gonna do it, you know. Yeah, cause so it do like the noni, you know, just break it down and make it ferment too, you know. Yeah, I'm gonna do it. No, probably. When you're back, I'll show you some.
All right, cool.
Yeah.
So you said for the June plum, you don't have to skin it or anything?
Yeah, when it clean, when you wash it and clean, you can just use the skin too, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it's a pretty big heap of work to get it done. I always find the middle of the June plum looks so crazy, like roots.
Yeah.
Roots of a tree, yeah?
Ginger with it too.
Yes.
Give it the good blame, you know?
Pretty much goes with every juice, yeah?
Yeah.
Ginger's gonna give you an extra bonus kick. Oh, yeah. What do they say? Star apple and June plum's good for. I know in Jamaica there's always a use for every plant, they say.
Yeah, you know, vitamin, so you know, vitamin good for us. Yeah, man. Kind of alkaline thing. Well, it's for benefit, my good for a lot of things, you know, see? Yeah, man.
Just taste it and find out.
Yeah.
See how you feel after.
Yeah.
See what it fixes. Even if it just fixes your thirst, that's still a win to me. Oh, it smells so nice, that raw ginger mixed up. You get the citrusy kind of taste of star apple. The kick
Yeah.
of the ginger. And you have the smoothness of the June plum.
I put more juice on it. Just when I have the right blame, you know?
Yeah. You go for a half and half usually? Or
Yeah.
Yeah.
You know?
Yeah, the June plum you sent me home with last time was so good.
Whoa,
Yeah,
yes,
real nice.
Yeah, man, must can have to eat too. Like that too, yeah, in the fridge.
Can I see the core when you're done? I want to show people how it looks. Because it's a pretty crazy looking one. Oh yeah.
Liquor.
So when you're eating it, you actually got to be careful because these are actually kind of, well, not sharp, I guess, but they're very tough. So they come off like roots. So it's not the easiest one to eat if you're just chomping into it, because this is like, look how hard that is. That's actually solid. Get juked by that. But yeah, really nice fruit. Fresh water. Might take a couple rounds. The smell is already so good and so strong. I'm standing 8 foot away and I can feel just the beautiful fruit scents wafting up into my face. It's so good. All right, round one. Oh, it smells so strong from here. Just crazy. So yeah, that's much easier than trying to peel the whole thing and get all the skin off. Way easier. Just blend it and let's get it through the sieve. So I met a chef the other day from Panama named Dr. Aris Latham. Hasn't drank water in over 40 years.
I saw it, yeah, man.
He only drinks juice.
Okay.
And the man's in his mid 70s and he's like a 25-year-old. It's wild. Powerful. So me, I could never give up water, but
Yeah.
when you get juice, but if you have to drink juice like this, okay.
These good juice, you know?
Yeah.
For real.
Do you do anything with the pulp left over or just throw it in the garden?
I just throw it away, but you know, it could do stuff, yeah? It could go down in rundown.
Oh yeah?
Yes.
Oh yeah, that'd be a good idea.
Yeah. I got guy that use the June plum grate it and just cook it down when they run down. They boil down the coconut juice. Yeah, and it going down, they just throw it in with the other ingredients, vegetable, me and other vegetable seasoning and thing. And it's bad, man. June plum, the green one.
Yeah, that's a great idea because it's
Yeah.
got that kind of citrusy
Yeah.
kick to it to complement
Yeah.
the nice sweetness of the coconut.
Yeah.
Why not?
So I know the starfruit can go with it too, cause we eat the starfruit, the food of it too.
Okay.
Yeah. No? So I'm going to try it, cause it's good. Salt fruits.
I'm gonna try to taste the pulp. Why not?
Yeah, Tubby and everything. Yeah.
All right, I'm gonna try this here. It's all edible. Mmm. Almost reminds me of a chutney, like you would have in Indian cuisine. A nice piece of ginger. Yeah, for that small amount of ginger, you can really taste the ginger. Yeah, you don't need a whole heap. All right, here we go. Round two. How many star apples was that, would you say?
Yeah.
8 maybe?
Yeah,
More?
around 8 with around 6 June plum. Yep. And ginger around. And the good mixture, you don't need no lot of water, you know.
No, there's so much juice in it already, yeah. All right, last round, here we go. Yeah, okay, this part looks a little more green than the other. Just a little more. Different ripeness. Yeah, you can even tell, look at the round one, kind of yellow.
Okay.
Round two, a little more green.
Yeah, more of the star fruit was in the bottom. Of
Yeah.
this. Yeah. The ripe June plum was on the top. Yes. But they all gone in the same thing, you know?
Yeah, yeah.
One thing. All in one. Yeah, man, it's how we make our vitamin juice, you know? Good refreshing when you get it off with the ice, you know?
For real. Whoa.
We need it in a smaller strainer, you know, so it's more refined, you know?
Wow, second strain process, okay. Pure. Here, buddy.
So, all in it.
Hey.
Good fiber too, you know, but some people don't like feel the trash, you know?
Yeah.
They want a smooth drink, you know?
Yeah, I like it either way, but
yeah,
yeah.
because a little of it good too, because it's a fruit.
Yeah,
you
give it a
know,
bit of
but-
thickness, a little bit of
yeah,
fiber,
but,
right?
You know,
Yeah,
some people more specific.
picky.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that. The color is so nice. Look at that. Perfect amount. How did you know? One full jug exactly.
Can serve at table, you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, fresh ice, you know?
Yeah, to me, the fruits here are already so nice and sweet. Doesn't need any extra for me. And I like that tartness. It's that taste I enjoy. So, yeah, I find sometimes in tropical places when you order juice, it comes loaded with so much sugar. I don't know, personally, I can't even drink it, but that's just my own personal taste. Oh my goodness.
Like that, I know sugar in it.
Yeah, no sugar's great.
I don't like little sugar in mine, but I'm going to drink some of this one. It's good both ways, but not too sweet. I'm having this without sugar, you know? And it
Yeah.
drink every have a flavor.
Yes. Cheers.
Cheers, Isiah.
Yeah.
Good flavor, man. Yeah.
How it taste?
Yeah, it's great, you know. Some people do want little sugar or honey, you know, but good like this, refreshing still, you know.
The scent is amazing. It smells citrusy. You get just a little waft of that ginger. Oh, that is so refreshing. Green Star Apple for the win. And the June plum, you can still taste it in there. It really blends, a perfect blend of the two, because they both kind of have that citrusy taste. But just a little hint of ginger. Yeah, if you want to sweeten it, absolutely, you could do it. Maybe a drop of honey is going to be nice, but that is so refreshing. And definitely, I wouldn't say sour. I would describe it as just a little bit tart. But even so, with the blend of some of the yellowy, more June plums and the more ripe starfruit, still tastes sweet enough to me. Oh, but on the ice, man, that is beyond refreshing. Yeah, way down, and it goes down deep. Yeah. When I drink drinks like this, so refreshing, it makes me want to do a big after every sip. I don't know, didn't need any sugar for me, I don't think.
No, I don't have no sugar in this, but I can add it, you know, but yeah. It's great like this, man. A real.
Nice. So any final thoughts on this juice, Mr. MacDonald, or recommendations for people?
Yeah, man, vitamin good, man. Keep your body flexible, you know, it's like no alkaline thing, like, you know, make you flexible and thing, you know. Yeah, man. And so don't eat no lot of meat and thing. This good, man. Keep your body fit, you know.
Yes.
For real, yes.
For real.
True.
And the proof is right here.
Yes, right here, man. Yeah, man, make you feel physical fit, you know.
Yeah.
True, man.
All right, so if people want to find you, I'll put your link down below and your phone number if they want the Noni Juice, if they want the wines, if they want juices.
And these fruit juice, good, man.
Yeah,
man. It's all natural, you know. Right here.
All right.
Off the farm, the property, you know. Yes.
Swift River. You got rooms too if you want to stay.
Yes. Nice resort, beach. You know. There's sea and river. Not all in one. No good, you know. Yep. Planting, I got lot of food. Breadfruit, planting, coconut. Everything around for food. For structure, you know, for the structure.
That's it.
Yeah, man, for real, yeah, man.
All right.
I enjoy it. I want to come down, I enjoy it too, man. Yes, for real. It's life, you know.